Welcome to CSC. Common Service Centers scheme is one of the mission mode projects under the Digital India program. CSCs are the access points for delivery of essential public utility services, social welfare schemes, healthcare, financial education, and agricultural services. Apart from host of B2C services to citizens in rural and remote areas of the country. It is a pan India network catering to regional, geographic, linguistic, and cultural diversity of the country, thus enabling the government's mandate of a socially, financially, and digitally inclusive society. If you are interested to become a CSC as a career, you have to clear a examination comprising 10 plus 1 modules. First 10 modules are 10 marks, MCQ each. Then you have to give final examination which is 50 marks MCQ, multiple choice question. So we have to prepare for the examination. I have discussed all the syllabus and probable MCQs for the examination in a series of videos. If one follows it, he must success in the examination. After passing the exam, you will get user ID and password to start your own business as a CSC. If you are interested to become a CSC, this video is yours. Let us go to the matter. Entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Starting of new ventures, both within your organization, corporate entrepreneurship, and by yourself. Number two, involves organizing, managing, and assuming the risk pertaining to your enterprise. If new, mostly based on a new idea. What is new varies? 1. New to geography. Number 2. New technology and business models. Number 3. Just new business models. Number 4. Just new technology. Number 5. Neither. An entrepreneur is one who is involved in all of these: managing, organizing, innovating, assuming risk, etc. Entrepreneurship is an opportunity to create wealth. We can see that 4 out of the top 5 billionaires are entrepreneurs, 7 out of top 10 billionaires are entrepreneurs, 16 out of top 20 billionaires are entrepreneurs. Hence, we see that entrepreneurship is a credible way to create wealth to yourself. It helps you to get rich very fast. But creating a new venture is not just about cool ideas. We need to understand that. Number one, very few ideas succeed. In a study of about 3,200 startups in the Silicon Valley, about 92% of startups failed within the first 3 years of starting. Number two, success also depends on how these ideas are packaged as products and brought to the market. Entrepreneurship differs from a standard managerial career that most people want to have or aspire. It is more unstructured compared to working in an established firm. Number one, established firms present a relatively structured environment. Business is based on established business practices or routines that have been in place for quite some time and people are familiar with it. Number two, in entrepreneurship, because ideas or business models are new. There is no precedent. This means that they operate in relatively unstructured and uncertain environments. Number two, decision may not be right or wrong, but there are trade-offs. Traditional career path manages entrepreneurs. Difference between them. Number one, motive. Traditional career path managers stability, assured revenue stream, even it means low revenue stream with little risk. Entrepreneurship get rich, new products, high payoffs, even it means high risk. Activity, delegation and managing, and for entrepreneurs, managing and doing we by ourselves. Attitude towards failure, very costly, simply avoid failures, little experimentation. For entrepreneurs, risk taking, failure means one experiment is over and perhaps another one is just around the corner. Number four, decisions follows upper management for entrepreneurs actively making decisions. The first part of the entrepreneurs we have discussed in the tutorial. Next tutorials we will discuss the next parts.